Okay, have you ever wondered how I grade so quickly some of your examples, such as a confidence interval about a proportion? Excel, reusability, reusability. If I show you these actual formulas so you can see them, anything that is a number, I'm typing in. Basically, that's from your example. And so, in other words, however many people out of a total, my confidence. Now, here, this formula, the ABS might look weird, but that's just saying absolute value, meaning give me only the positive z-score, because then I'm going to do the minus and the plus down here. And then the norm.s.inv to find my critical value. 1 minus the confidence divided by 2. Okay, so that's the formula if you're not looking it up in a table. How do you find p hat? You take x divided by n. How do you find q hat? 1 minus p hat. And then remember, my margin of error equals my critical value. So notice I'm referencing these cells. You don't see me typing numbers in here. Times the square root of p hat times q hat divided by the sample size. And then, of course, my lower limit is my sample proportion minus my error. And then my upper value of my interval is my sample proportion plus my error. So I can very quickly go through these examples, and here's one: how many nurses, when they were in nursing school, asked if they were in the same area that they thought they would be. And we asked 100 nurses, so that's 100. 60 said they would be, and a 95% confidence interval, and that's actually the answer that I see. I can go pick another one. And so this is how I work through these very quickly as I make this spreadsheet. And so I have the, here's the one with the federal loans. So it says they found 180 out of 200, and I want a 98% confidence interval. And so we might need to look at this one, 180 out of 200, to get my confidence interval. So notice that 180 out of 200 gives me my p hat, and then my q hat, and then my error. But the whole point of Excel is, and what's kind of nice to do sometimes, is the cells that you want to change, highlight them so you know these other cells you don't actually touch.